G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, today we are also at the end going to be looking at our local pancake festival, which happens every year. Annual. Okay, and then next up we're looking at the little Spyderco in K390. And I think that's all for that I want to tell you right now. Then, today we're looking at this marvelous thing. This is a Wenger Delmont. I can't remember the date, but this is a very, let's say it's like one of the budget line ones, which means on our Wengers, we normally get our inset, not on the outside, toothpick and tweezers, and we get the nice shield. But on this one, we got a plain shield. Now it is kind of rubbed off. This thing is quite old and it is a retired model. But this is the closest thing, or this was like, I love the camper. This is like a camper. Okay, now let's see what we actually get. We get the Wenger style can opener. Very, very cool. I like these things because if you sharpen it a bit, it makes a beautiful package opener. Then you also get the patented flathead screwdriver, cap lifter, wire bender stripper, and light pry. And then when you press, you can't flip it closed. Okay, so that's an awesome little nifty thing, and I think they should bring that back. You get the nail neck, so it's not like the Victorinox that you pick up over here. Get the nail neck and you have an awesome saw. Okay, which makes it the outdoorsy one. And then the Backpacker 2 had a little blade. The Backpacker 1, this one, please excuse my dog, he's seeing something. We have a little nail cleaner nail file. Wonderful. And I do appreciate those. And then, okay, let's go to the back before we go to the main blade. We have our corkscrew, no pinhole over there. And then we have our little dimple over there. And then we have the Wenger style all. Okay. Very nice. Now this is 85 millimeters. When I was doing the video on this one, I kept saying the 65 mil, but I was checking out a different one. But 85 millimeters. And then we have the beautiful spear blade. I love this. Okay. Over there we see Wenger Delmont. Okay, very, very cool. Now let's just check, because I think on this one, did we have anything on the back? Oh yes, we have the Wenger logo. Oh, sorry, this one is locking. You could also get these ones. There were different variations of these things where you would get or could get a lock on them. You could get them insulated. And the Backpacker 2, they just swapped the nail file for a small blade. Okay, anyway, Backpacker 1. This is an awesome little knife. Okay, and I'm glad I have it because, yes, I'm not showing you as many new or modern knives. I'm not saying I'm falling out of love with them. There is a few on the way, and there is still a few that get me excited. Yeah, but I'm rather focusing on things I like, and that is a bit harder to get. Okay, so I'm showing you, since the beginning, I've been showing you what I like. So yes, please follow along if you also sometimes like this stuff I like. Okay, I'm done with that. Let's check out pancake video thing. Oh, while we're busy with that, I am this close to 8,000 subscribers. But now I want to ask you a favor. Instead of just subscribing, I was Googling. They say the average person has between 3 and 5 very close friends. And then they have between 10 and 15 close friends. Okay, so now you go and you get 13 of your friends to also subscribe. Then I can be over 100,000. I can also get one of those fancy YouTube things. So you do that for me and I'll keep making you videos. Okay, go watch me eat pancakes. Goodbye. Okay, leaves are on the ground. It means it's pannenkoekfees, which is pancakes in South Africa, which is like crepes filled with all kinds of magic. Okay, and we are walking to the festival, and you can already hear people doing festival-y things. Okay, we're at the church, and this is a very cool triumph. Nice. Okay, my son took the most boring one in the world. Cheese griller without any sauce. Say delicious. Delicious. Kajunks and cheese sauce. Okay, and this is what's going home after my tummy is full. Okay, I'm back at home. I'm gonna watch Forged in Fire now. I just want to show you my loot. What's this? Cold chicken mayo. I have 3 of them. That should last me like an hour. Then I still have this thing. This is Russian and all kinds of delicious stuff in there. We have a few of the normal cinnamon and sugar ones, and this one I cannot remember. Oh, this is the rib burger one, an extra one. Good job. I should be alive until this afternoon.